Here at McGovern Centennial Park in Houston. We just finished an Espalier training the trees and training the staff that works on them. This is our second visit. The first was about a year ago. So the trees are now beginning to take a nice shape. When we first visited, you were not able to see any of these branches because it was so covered up with outer exterior branches. And what remains are these fruit spurs. And that is where the fruit comes from. It grows very slowly. And that will last for about 10 years. And that location will fruit for about that long. This is a pear. And down on the other end we have apples.